Today we're looking at an amazing tool that you can use to gauge your audience's interests or prior knowledge. This is another flipped classroom tutorial. Now this tool I'm going to show you today is wonderful for lesson starts or presentations when you're giving presentations to other teachers, co-workers, or even for parents. Now the website we're going to go to is mentimeter.com. Now go ahead and navigate to mentimeter.com. Once this website's loaded, all you have to do is simply sign up for a free account. So go ahead and click on Get Started. Now once you've done that, it's as easy as using your Gmail account. Now you can also use your Facebook account, but for the sake of this demonstration, we're using our Gmail account. Now I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. There we go, we're going to give it access. And this way we can easily log in without having to remember an additional password. Now what is Mentimeter? Mentimeter is a tool you can use to ask a question to your students or audience and to get instant feedback. Now here is just asking you, what are you going to use this for? I'm just going to quickly say other. I'm going to say demo. Get started. And there we go. It is now going to load the next page. And this is where we can create a new presentation. Now I'm going to close this welcome message and I'm going to show you how you do this. So let's go ahead and create a brand new presentation. It's now loading this new presentation. Now this is where you can use any of these question types. You have a multiple choice question, an image choice, or a word cloud, scales, open-ended, 100 points, 2x2 matrices, and who will win. Now these are all useful in class, but for the sake of this demonstration I'm going to open up the word cloud. So go ahead and select word cloud, and our question is going to be, how are you feeling today? There we go. How are you feeling today? We are going to ask this question to multiple people, and we are going to give each voter let's say 3 entries. Now we are going to filter profanities, and we are also going to allow our audience to submit more than once. Now again, this is completely up to you how you want to do this. You can also further customize this by showing an image. So I can click on this to add an image. I can close the voting. I can hide the instruction bar, and I can hide the results. But I'm going to do none of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on present. And this is what will be shown to everyone that can see my screen. So at the top you can see it says go to menti.com and use the code 247640. So let's jump onto different devices and let's go ahead and vote. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to open up an incognito window, which will act as one user. Then I'm going to also open up 2 Chromebooks and an Android phone. So you will see exactly what this looks like. So let's go ahead and navigate to menti.com on this Windows device. Now on the Windows device, you will immediately see that the website loads and asks for a code. There we go. Now we have to input the code just given to us. Now as you can see here, it is 24, 76 and 40. So 24, 76 and 40. There we go. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on my Chromebook. So let's go ahead and go to menti.com. We're going to input that same code, 24, 76, 40. And we're going to do the same on the second Chromebook, menti.com. Now, as you can see in the top right, these are all different accounts, so you can see instantly what it looks like. 24, 76, 40. Submit. And we will do the same thing on my Android device. So let's go ahead and go to menti.com. 24, 76, 40 and submit. Now as you can see, on all these devices, I'm asked for a couple of words. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a word for my Windows device first. So let's go ahead and say I'm feeling happy. I'm also feeling tired. And I'm feeling excited. So go ahead and submit. Now, once I've done this, I'm going to show you what immediately happens on my overview. Here we can now see that my word cloud is beginning to form. Now we have our first 3 words, but as these are up here, I'm going to go to my Chromebook and I'm going to add some more words to that. So I'm going to add one more tired, because I am very tired. I'm also going to add the word excited, the same as the first one. And I'm going to add a new word. I'm also a bit sad. So let's go ahead and click on submit. And you will see as soon as we submit these 3 words, they're taken into account and the word cloud forms on the Windows screen. And now we're going to do the same on our second Chromebook. So again, we're going to add happy. We're going to add I'm feeling funny. And I'm feeling productive. There we go. We are going to submit these as well. And then on our Android phone, we are going to do the same. Now on the Android device, we're going to add, let's say we are feeling happy, but we're going to misspell it so that you can see that it's a different feeling. We're also feeling quite exhausted. And we are tired again. There we go. So let's go ahead and submit on the Android device. There we go. And again, you can see instantly on my main screen, these words are taken into account and my word cloud continues to form. Now at the bottom, you can see how many people have already submitted their answers. This is great to have up in the classroom at the start of a lesson, during a presentation, or when you're giving a speech, just as a little warm up at the start of your speech. Now, I do have to give credit where credit is due, and I must say this tool was brought to my attention by Tim Evans. So Tim Evans, thank you for this. You will find his Twitter link, his handle, down in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share it out to the world. Thank you for watching. This was another flipped classroom tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.